Yeah, I really invested quite a lot of my free time to go through all of the material, and the more I learned, the more I wanted to really get to know it and be good at it. The most valuable thing was that I learned how to manage your risk. It's the only thing that you can control in the market. I advise someone that is searching for a course to find a course where the educator has a sound knowledge and many years of experience in the financial market. I would definitely recommend the e-Trading Academy. After going through all the modules in the course, I have come to see that it is fully possible to be able to trade stress-free with confidence and consistency.